Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about how to get things in and out of Bookmanager between your web store and the Bookmanager software. It's coming up a lot these days where users are working with a list in Bookmanager and they want to get it up on their website. Anywhere you have a printing option, there's a good bet that you can actually get whatever you're trying to print, that list of items, that list of books, as long as it's a list of books and not, say, printing a customer report or a list of helds. But if it's just a list of titles, likely that can be sent up to your website. So a common example would be, I have a held sale for a customer or something in the point of sale, and I want to get that up on the website. So we can take absolutely anything. We can arrow through and find just a recent sale. It can be a held sale or a completed sale. Doesn't really matter. But if it's in the point of sale, you can do a P for print. The option you want to select here is L for pick list. So L for pick list will default to your receipt printer or your invoice printer. But what we have here is another option called W for Webstore. So if I do a W here and I hit page down, it doesn't print anything or do anything, but it brings up this second screen to ask you where you'd like to open this. Most times you're just pressing enter again to select the first option, but you can set up certain stations around your store to appear on this list. So I've got something here that says Shark, Windows PC, Firefox. So one of our computers, I guess, is named Shark, and you can choose to open it on that system instead of the one you're working on. So this is more for power users or large store layouts. But if I select enter on this A option, it's going to launch my browser with the items on that point of sale transaction. Again, whether it's a quote, a held, or a completed sale, it's going to bring those ISBNs onto your website. Now, the caveat to this is the items have to exist on your web store in order to look them up. So if you have something that's like a generic sale item, like a miscellaneous sale under a class, or if it's an item that, again, doesn't exist on your web store, like it's a mug that you sell in store, but you haven't assigned it an ASAN number to fire it up onto your website, it won't appear on the list. So really, for all intents and purposes, it's for books. So now we can see, okay, we can work with a list. Cool, you can create a list now, share this with a customer, or do some analytics or tweaking right from your browser. The second area can be the custom inventory reports. It's a pretty obvious example here, where if you get into any sort of custom inventory report, so I'm just going to look at Sarah's daily reordering report here, and it's got about 370 titles. If I do a P for print on this, and I don't choose one of these options, but I choose the top print preview with options, I'll just take a second to build this. But you will see, once again, at the very bottom, there is a web store view from option. So if I choose that and choose option A, I'm going to should get close to all 370 or so titles. I got 364 results. So this is likely because some of the products that sold were, again, not on our website, maybe consignment products that we don't have, we never uploaded to our website. But there you go. You've got a list now on your website.